So this project is drowsiness detection system. You'll be having Raspberry Pi board, a Pi camera. It doesn't have double side tape currently. So when you receive the kit, you can put the double side tape like this in order to provide the height for the camera. Else you have to handle it using the hand only based on your requirement. I'm only just doing the setup. Buzzer, 2-channel relay, a DC pump motor. For this DC pump motor, you will be having one 2-rows adapter connected to it. So this will be the DC pump motor adapter. You have to connect the adapter into the external power supply. And next, you will be having one GSM module. So we will be providing another 2-rows adapter. Connect the 2-rows adapter to the external power supply. Currently, I don't have the SIM to showcase. So whenever this LED, when you insert the SIM card and this LED gets slow blinking, then the SMS will be sent. This is connected serially to the Raspberry Pi. Now after doing this setting, you have to create a mobile phone hotspot. The hotspot settings should be as shown in this video. That is a small letters project 1234. After creating the mobile phone hotspot and turning on the 4G, then you connect your laptop to also same mobile phone hotspot like this. So project some mobile phone hotspots may not be connected. Raspberry Pi may not connect to the mobile phone hotspot due to the WPA PSK issue. If the security it's not connecting, then you change the security to directly WPA in your mobile phone and turn on the Raspberry. After creating the hotspot only, you have to power up the Raspberry Pi. So once you power up the Raspberry Pi using your mobile phone original Type-C adapter and connect it to the external power supply only, don't connect it to the USB of the laptop or any USB. So after doing this thing, wait for 1 minute. You have to install a software called VNC Viewer. So in real VNC Viewer from the online, then you type this thing into the I'll delete this so that it will be. Now after installing, type raspberrypi.local into the real VNC viewer and then press enter button. The program will ask you for the username and password. Username will be pi and the password will be 123456, and you press remember password button here and press OK. You will get a Raspberry Pi OS screen into your laptop. So this is the OS running in the Raspberry Pi board only. We are just doing the screen sharing. On desktop, you will find the icon called drowsiness. Double click on this particular icon and wait until the camera is opened. So as the camera is opened, it will try to detect the face. The program will send the SMS drowsiness detected and wait for 3 to 4 seconds and then turn off the buzzer and the motor. So in this way, it will continuously monitor the your face. If the face is closed for greater than around 2 to 4 seconds and towards the downside,